Hi viewers, welcome to the Bakasura. Today we are going to be making a very healthy tea time snack without onions and garlic. So let's begin. Here I have a cup of boiled sweet corn, coarsely ground, 3/4 cup of boiled and mashed potatoes, finely chopped bell peppers, breadcrumbs, ginger finely chopped, mint finely chopped, corn flour and rice flour, tablespoon of lemon juice. For seasoning, red chili powder, chaat masala, garam masala, salt to taste. Give it a good mix to form a firm dough. Take small portions of the dough, apply them onto skewers. If you do not have skewers, don't worry, you can just make cutlets out of the dough. Roast the kebabs on a medium flame on all sides and grease them evenly. Don't they look heavenly? So if you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.